Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing your phone number from Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will be showing you how to do this on the Facebook app, but the settings will be the same on desktop too. Open up the Facebook app and tap on the three lines button in the bottom right of the homepage. If you are on Android, then the three lines button will be at the top right of the page. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Tap on Personal Information, then tap on Contact Info. Tap on your phone number. On the next page, tap on Remove. Select the checkbox and then tap Remove Number. Enter your Facebook password and then tap on Remove Phone. Your phone number has now been removed from Facebook. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.